Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to fix the leaking Porter cable 3.5 CFM air compressor. Okay, so now I got the tank pressure is about 90 psi, and then if I increase the pressure to say 40, actually I can increase to about 60, and you can hear the leaking. Okay, but if I go all the way up to let's say 90, and no leaking. Okay, if I release a little bit to lower, say no, it's actually okay 70 is not leaking. So I'm gonna replace the parts inside the regulator and then see what happens. So here are the parts I got from Amazon.com. It's actually made in Taiwan. So let's see how this guy will help. Okay, so I replace it now. The tank pressure is about 155. Okay, and the regulated pressure is about 60. So, and then I don't hear any air loss right now. If I increase the pressure to, let's say 90, okay, now it's okay 90, okay 90, put a little bit less, okay 90, now it's 90, perfect, no leaking, I hear nothing. So this one does help, this parts, okay, yep, this does help, and I'll post a link for anybody want to fix their leaking. So I replace this O-ring, okay, just the whole set, and this diaphragm maybe, and also this guy. So it's fixed. Thank you.